How to find the Merrill Edge Forms library. If you need an official account from transfer forms, deposit form, IRA forms, etc., you can find them in the forms library on the Merrill Edge website. So we can head over to their browser and open it up. After that, this is their official site right here. You can go to merrilledge.com. Now on the home page, you can just go over and scroll down to the footer section. And within there, basically go ahead and, look out for a section for support or resources. Go ahead and find it up and go ahead and look out for it. And there we go. And here we have this option called Forms and Applications. You can just go over and open the Forms library from the section. And this is it. And this will open up the page containing the downloading PDFs. You can look out for the view for PDF, etc. So you can choose the form that you need. Inside the forms library, we'll be finding different categories. We have trustee certification application, margin lending program application and agreement, automated funding, service enrollment and authorization, paper list settings, etc. We also have forms by category and forms by title. We have forms by category, which is for account maintenance forms, those kind of forms, IRA and retirement forms, transfer of asset forms, deposit and withdrawal forms, and option trading forms. You can click on the form name to download the PDF. You can look out for view form PDF to view it up, and you just need to fill out the necessary information. Just go and enter it up and upload online to your account, and mailing the completed form, you can fax it to Merrill Edge. Instructions are usually listed on the first page of the form. You can just go and view it up. And if you are already logged into Merrill Edge account, you can also access it from the help and support and just go over and view it up. And that's it, everybody. You can just go and follow that method and view out your form for Merrill Edge. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.